So how do you get to Flex, right? So if you're a new customer, right, we can obviously start you off from scratch and you can subscribe to Flex. You then receive your credits and then you can consume them, whether that's on existing perpetual licenses or whether that's on new licenses in the future. Sorry, not existing perpetual because you wouldn't be a new customer. Um, for a existing customer that's on support, we have a conversion process that we can take your existing customer first contract amount and convert that to a flex contract. And basically, we assign a credit value to every license that you own perpetually. And then you can either keep that license in production, or if there's a license or a group of licenses that you no longer use, you can recoup that credit amount that was assigned to that existing perpetual license and reapply that credit value to other things. And for customers that have our licensing but have been off support, right? There's a modernization program that basically converts your install or the dollar amount that your licenses are worth into a flex contract. And again, the same concept there is a credit amount will be assigned to each license that you own, and you get access to not only the Flex portal, but the unique Flex offerings in terms of bundles, operations control potentially, and those things are available if you are a existing customer that has been off support. So really, there's ways for any type of customer that you might be out there to use and consume Flex and really take advantage of the kind of offerings that AVEVA is really putting out into the market.